RPG! Frost! Frost! Get switched on! We gotta move now! North. We'll leg it from here. Let's go! Bridge truck, you up? We're good.
Well, a very, very warm welcome to you on what is, of course, a truly special day in this part of the world. It is Derby Day, a rivalry so deeply entrenched into the history of sport in this land. It divides opinions, it divides families, it divides just about anything that can be divided. The game itself lasts just 90 minutes, but its repercussions can be felt for months and years ahead. Truly, this really is a quite wonderful stadium located here at the foot of the Alps. Shaw gets it back. Van der Beek. Gundogan plays it forward. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Sancho. And here's Rashford. He's got through. Rashford has a shot! And another time! Manchester United! Manchester United take the lead! Shaw duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes.
But you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads.
I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Mac this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
Jump.
Bel-Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jess. You shut up Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
I'm gonna shot you in the face. You lost your tail.
Ease up, Pac. Where the hell you been?
After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not.
Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel?
Yeah, got it.
Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish?
I thought he was with you.
I'm breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
Big copy, Irish. We got you. You're up. Get right.
You got my ass! Hold your fire!
Here he is! Irish, watch out!
Shit! Fuck off of me!
Wrecker! Hostiles in the windows across!
They got me pinned!
More incoming, see him?
Engage! Two more on the left! Drop him! Irish! Get up here! Anything still moving? Got them all! Clear!
Give me a hand.
You okay, Irish?
Fuck, man. I guess it's safe upstairs.
Tombstone, on the move.
Are you coming, Wrecker?
Fortress, this is Tombstone Actual. We got the path. Skirt up the Hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction.
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
Take them out again. Tag them and give the signal.
You signal and we'll shoot the target.